welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I am going to unbox a birthday gift that I was sent. My birthday recently passed. It was May 26th, and one of my crafty buddies, she sent me a gift, and this is from Creations by Sarah, or Sarahi. If you guys don't follow her on Instagram, you should. And she is just like such a sweetheart. But the cool thing about this is, besides the fact that she did not have to send me anything, is the fact that she and I will finally, after all these years, get to meet in person next month. My husband and I are taking an anniversary trip, and because I'll be in the area, she and I and a couple of her girlfriends that she's been introducing me to over the past couple of months, we've all like formed a cute little like crafting clique. I guess you can say. I am like so excited to meet these ladies. It's not even funny. But I love it and I'm excited, so I'm gonna just go ahead and stop talking and open this up. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, I don't even know where to begin. All right, so I'll start here. I see a card and it says, "Hey girl, hey, it's your birthday." Look at the back. You know what? Let me read it off camera first. She included something for both Giselle and Jocelyn. So what I'm going to do is open this up, and then Sarahi, you know, I'll send you a personal video of the girls opening theirs. That was so sweet. Thank you, my love. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Guys, look at that. Gorgeous. First of all, I love roses, and you know I'm putting these up in all of my spaces. Look at this. This matches a couple of my offices. This right here definitely matches my home, so I'm going to be hanging this up. I'm gonna send you pictures of all of this. Oh my goodness, she made these. Aww. And then she gave me some so that I can make my own items. Look at this bag topper. That is so cute. Look at this. I think we all struggle with getting things that are so pretty we don't want to open them, but we know we have to open them because, you know, you don't want everything to go to waste. But oh my goodness, Sarahi, like you really... Wow, look at that. Look how she packaged this up. Look at these. I love these. Wow, Sarahi, you went all out, girlfriend. Aw, sugar and spice. Look at that. I don't want to touch these. I'm gonna have to hold on to these for a while before I like use them, even though I could use... Oh my goodness, I see something. I'm not going to touch it just yet. I'm leaving it alone. I'm going to get you. So this right here, oh guys, look at that. Okay, Giselle and Jocelyn are going to lose their little minds. They are like their mother, and they love packaging. The hearts, Giselle's favorite color is pink. Yeah, they're going to lose it. I'm going to put that to the side for them. Oh my goodness, I want to open it so bad. Look at this. She made this box, you guys. Like, there is something about handmade items that is so... It's like the best feeling, because you know it takes the person a while to make these things. And I am just like... Look, guys. I know why she sent me this. We were all in our group chat, and I told them that for my birthday, I was going to ask hubby for a crown and a robe to sit in my crafting space and craft, because I never like get the time. And she did say she was going to do something that I had. I would have never guessed it was this. I totally forgot I said that. Look at the, okay, so I might have to hide it because the girls are probably going to want to take it from me. Okay, first of all, I'm sending you a picture with me wearing it, and from now on in my crafting space, I will have to wear that. Look at this box. The inside of this box is foil, you guys. Like, what? This is so pretty. Like, oh my goodness. Only she will understand my crazy personality. Oh my... Oh, okay guys, all right, let me move this box out of the way. I gotta get myself together. She knows how special this is to me, first of all. Okay, I have been wanting to try to make TNs for like years. Do you all just have like those projects in mind that you're like, I really want to make it, but I don't know, with craft and stuff, we all have our things that we're like, I don't know if I can do that. This is my first traveler's notebook. This is all completely handmade by her. And talk about cherishing this. I am going to hold on to this for so long. Like, I can't even put this in my purse because I don't want anything to happen to it. But I will be putting it, I have to figure out what office I want to put this in. Look at the keychain, you all. Sarahi, I am like, no way. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Journaling cards. I am so glad I filmed this because I just, oh my goodness. Look at this. Really? Like, I can't believe she did this. Oh my, wow. One happy day. I am going to hold on this forever. Like, I know it took her a while to put all of this together, and I am like really trying to get through this video because I just really want to message her. But oh my goodness, I'm glad I filmed it because I want to remember exactly how she had everything so that I can keep it like that. I cannot believe, oh, I just put that on there. I cannot believe, oh wow. Girl, you know how I feel about foil. Flowers. Oh my goodness. Look at the pocket. Am I in frame? I'm probably, this is going to be a long video, guys. Like, look. Love is all you need. That is so funny because I just was drinking like some tea and it was a quote that is like this. And when I get like repetitive things that happen, I always take that as like a sign for something. So this must be the theme for me lately. Oh my goodness. I love these cards. Oh my goodness. Pages filled with memories, stories, and happiness. That is exactly what this will be filled with. I am putting this in hubby and I's corner that I told you about. Guys, I scratched my hands up so bad this weekend just being fast and doing a little bit of everything. Wow, look. This has a pocket. She made me some notebooks. Oh my goodness. Like, Sarahi, I know you made this for me to use it, but like seriously, is it okay if I hold on to it for a while just to kind of cherish it the way that it is. Look at this. I love this clip on here. Oh my goodness, like this is wow. Like, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. And she made these notebooks, guys. She covered all of them herself because these are Maggie Holmes papers. Look at that. I can do so much on my own to this. She left it like completely blank. My heart is full. Yeah, it really is. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. I love these. I am such a notebook junkie. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to start making my own junk journals. And this is like the best. It's my very first one. I've never even made myself one, let alone to sit up here and receive one. This is gorgeous, Sarahi. Like, it is stunning. I am really happy. I'm really excited. I am so blessed. And to me, the new year really starts for your birthday. So I'm looking forward to this new year. I am so grateful for all of the online friendships that I have made over the years. Y'all know online can be a bit much. But the ladies that I have met, the bonds that I have formed, it's just a select few. It has been such a pleasant experience. And Sarahi, I just, girl, look, I am really excited, really happy. Let me get ready to go. Because I just want to get myself together so that I can message her. This was so sweet. All of the love and attention to detail and making it specific to me. The crown just like has me like geeking out because I can't believe, like, it was just a simple comment. How she remembered that is just wow. But okay, so I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Sarahi, I'm sending you all my love and big hugs. Love you much, girlfriend. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a gorgeous day, doll. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.